Check out this copyright Mica 09 Mazda CX-7 SUV, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with. Enjoy this great SUV with features like windows, rear defogger, windows, rear wiper, variable intermittent, suspension, front shock type, gas shock absorbers, windows, lockout button, power windows, front windows, front wipers, variable intermittent, suspension, front shock type, telescopic, suspension, rear telescopic shock, suspension, front spring type, coil springs, suspension, rear coil springs, suspension, rear twin-tube gas shock absorbers, suspension, stabilizer bars, front and rear, exterior mirrors, heated, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 09 Mazda CX-7. See us at J. Wilderman Autoplex New and Used today.